morning, students. Hope you are happy and fine. Dear students, you know how to subtract. Do you know how you check your answer of subtraction that is correct or not correct? Do you know there is a very easy method? By addition we check our answer of subtraction that is right or wrong. Let's see how. We have question 72 minus 48. First we do subtraction. 72 as the largest number and 48 smallest. So you will write smaller number downside and larger number upside. Now start subtracting from ones. Here 2 minus 8 we cannot do as 2 is smaller than 8. So what 2 will do? 2 will go to tens. It will take carry from tens. 10 will give 1. 7 were there. 6 were left because they are giving 1 to 2. And when 110 will come, it will turns into ones and here will becomes 12. So with regrouping we will subtract. Now we can subtract 8 from 12. 12 minus 8, 4 will be there. Now 6 minus 4, 2 will be there. So our answer is 24. Now we want to check our answer is right or wrong. Then how we will check? Checking of answer. This is our difference. We write the difference and we add the number which we subtract. We add two numbers, difference and the number which is subtracted. 48 we have subtracted. Now we will add these two numbers. One is difference and second number is the number which is subtracted. We will add 4 plus 8, 12. 1 will go carrying tens. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Now after addition, if we get the number same from which we subtract, here see 72, answer with after addition we get 72, both are same. It means our answer 24 is right. Again I am telling, for checking of answer what we do, we add difference and the number which we subtract. Difference you will write up and the number which we subtract right below it and then add. We will find the same number from which we subtract, which was larger number 72. If we get same, both numbers same, then our answer of subtraction is right. So our subtraction is right. Subtraction is correct. Correct and right, both word we can write. Let us solve our next exercise based on this concept. Means first we will subtract the numbers, then we will check our answers. Let us solve exercise 4. Question 1. First question is given that we will read and to find what is given. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number and check your answer. And the two numbers are given 45, 60. First we see which number is greater. As 60 is greater than 45, so greater number, bigger number we will write up and smaller we will write down. Now we will subtract. Starting from ones place, 0 minus 5. Can we do? No. Why? Because 0 is less than 5. We have 0. 0 means nothing we have, and we have to give 5. We cannot give. So what we will do? We take borrow. 0 will go to neighbor, means to tens. It will take carry. After given, here 5 left and here becomes 10. Because 1 10 is coming, it will turn into ones, and then here will be 10 ones. So 10 minus 5 we can do now, and 10 minus 5 will be 5. Now we will subtract tens. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we get our answer, means we get difference. Now for checking of answer, first we write the column, write the difference which is 15, write the number which we subtract 45. Now we will add these two numbers. We will add these two numbers 15 and 45. 5 plus 5 10. 1 will go carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 4 6. Now we see our answer of addition. Adding two numbers 60, and that is same as the bigger number we were having. That is 60. 60 we are getting answer that match to our larger number. It means our answer 15 is right. In this way we do checking of answer in subtraction questions. In answer we will write our answer 15 is correct. Hope you understand. Let's take one more question. All questions are of same type. Let's take B part. We have given two numbers 88 and 69. First we will compare the numbers to know which is greater number. 88 is greater than 69. So we will put sign to show that 88 is greater. Then we will write the numbers. We will arrange the numbers. Bigger number up, smaller number down. Now we will subtract 8 minus 9. Can we do? No, because 8 is smaller than 9. So we cannot subtract 9 from 8. So 8 will take carry. it will take borrow from 8. Here left 7. Here becomes 18. Now we can subtract 18 minus 9. Yes, 18 is greater than 9. So we can subtract 18 minus 9 is 9. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now we will check our answer, that 19, that is our answer, is right or wrong. Our subtraction is right or wrong. Checking of answer. First we write the places. Now the answer which we get, which we call difference, 19, we will write up. Then the number which we subtract, that is 69. Now we will add these two numbers. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 will go carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Now we will match our answer to the bigger number. 88 here, 88. We get answer. So our answer 19 is correct. Understand? Hope you understand today's concept well. You will do more practice at home. That's for the day. Have a good day. Bye bye.